Morning. How's everybody doing? 7:37 in Chicago. 26th of March. We're getting close to the end of the month, guys. We got crude on the move. All right, we got got new deal, then we got a new deal, then we're gonna get another deal. So who knows? But the vol is in play. Okay, VIX is on the move. Sudsies are on the move. All right, SQs on the move to the upside. All right, we just had a jobs report came out, which is completely in line. So it didn't add to any of the problems that we have. Big scheme of things right now in the NASDAQ, we're down a little bit over 1%. Our Dow is down about 0.86. So pretty quiet, but crude cooking a little bit. All right, so we'll check out the UCO coming back up here today. All right, all right, coming back up. It's been cruising up since last night, man. When this was like 5 o'clock, so this started to already start moving back to the upside. Supposedly, again, stay out of the politics. All right, politics. That's what I call it. All right, so UCO higher there. Okay, we got that. We checked the light sweet crude, which is the CL with the slash. All right, 2-1 inside on your 30-minute, and then where we at right now, we're up $4 and $4 even right now, up 4.44% to the upside on your light sweet crude, and then you got your BZs, the BZs, 107, guys. All right, 107.57 is where we closed, and we're trading right there. Okay, so that's where we is right now. We are up 5.23% to the upside. WTI, I keep an eye on that one as well. All right, so WTI, the little guy, this thing moves around pretty good. Coming back down a little bit here right now, back down to 303. So keep an eye on the WTI as well. All right. I want to go through some names on the draft on some of these ones that I got on gappers today. All right. SMCI now, I think this thing's better. I think this thing goes higher. With the markets how they are, bring it in. All right. Whenever you like something, start praying for it to go down. Okay. All right. So, and see where you can get it. All right. You gotta making decisions, boy. We're going to talk more and more about psychology of trading. That's where the rubber hits the road. All right, so SMCI here with the 2-hour, kind of not doing anything here. A little indecision right now. I like the thing. It had bad news, super bad news. I think the company got exonerated from any of these issues. So up and away in your beautiful balloon. 23, I think really 23 is where I'm going to draw the line in the sand. I could draw a line in the sand too. All right. And I'm going to say that is going to be like $23. All right. $23. I think there's a good support level there. So if you see it bounce down around there, set it alert on it. All right. And then see what happens with it. DraftKings. DraftKings. What's going on with this one, man? More troubles for DraftKings. Just when she thought she was starting to get back up. No, she didn't. That's right. She tried to get up in February, and it's been a complete disaster since then. To the 222 back down to the lows. Vegas is gonna rub them out, man. Right? Or they're trying. Right? Vegas doesn't want these guys. Vegas wants all the money for Vegas. They don't want to share no money with these guys. All right, so DraftKings, we'll see, man. We'll see. Chicago over here at the Wrigley, you can go into the DraftKings. They got a big place where you can go gamble in there. It's pretty cool on game day, I gotta say. All right, DraftKings coming back down, guys. As long as we're in there, I gotta talk about Me Jenny. A lot of you people don't even know the history of Me Jenny. So 462 now. Jenny's an interesting company. What they do is they buy the stats of a lot of sports teams, and or so like they got the entire NHL, and they own the stats, which means then they send those stats out to us, and then people pay them. All right, so Jenny kind of down and outs right now. Got up to 13. I know the number. 1365 was the high, and she really fell apart here. Jenny going to get it back, but right now she's going to chop for a while, and you will make some money on that stock. All right, on that one, with a Joby. Joby, still garbage. $8. Leave it alone. Let's go back to the way. This BlackRock, a Blackstone company. I do some research on these guys. These guys got more money than anybody in the world, I think. I'm not saying that for sure. I don't know, but what I'm saying is that their stock is coming down, and I like that. All right, 2-2 down here right now on the Blackstone. All right, a more extended pressure again today, coming down to 105. Looks like we're gonna break that today. All right, so we're looking to get back down to this 101.73. BlackRock, we're gonna watch this one. All right, we ain't buying it. We ain't buying it yet. But this thing has been. This is a fallen angel for sure. All right, don't worry about them. They are doing fine. All right. Navin, Navn. This is a newer stock. It hasn't been around that long. 915 trading at 1083 this morning. We got a nice move to the upside here. 1080. Come on, man. So you're going to have to get back here to 1102, 11. I'll give you the real number, 1109. All right, I was guessing. All right, so 1102 there, 1084. Triangle out and keep it going, I'll say. All right, Navin looks pretty decent here. We'll see if that thing wants to fall apart and come back down, and then maybe try to reversal and go back up again. That's the fun stuff. All right, Rio Tinto. That should have been my name. Rio Tinto. Coming back up here, 85.22, closed at 87.54, so we're lower here this morning by about $1.80, coming back down. She looks like Tinto's trying to get it together down here, and you got that 2 hour back inside. All right, so I put that one. That's on my. I put it on my chart. It looks interesting. I picked this one because it's the most important word in the world. It's called love. Okay, simple as that. Weak, kind of stuck in the middle of love with the week for sure. Nice hammer up on there on the day yesterday. It's a 3-2 day. All right. At 1160, we're at 1379. All right, so we're not getting out of the 2-day pattern, or are we not? Oh yeah, we are. We're taking all this out. Look at that. So love be coming up here. All right, so watch out for that love, boy. I tell you. All right, be careful with it. It's a small word. Big consequences. GLNG. The glung. I don't know if you guys know what glung is, but if you ever come to Chicago, I'll show you what it is. All right, the glung. All right, 5509, 5442. All right, so coming back down on the GLNG trade at 5309. We are higher this morning. All right, so but when we go into our daily pattern, where are we here on the GLNG at 5452? Okay, so 54.90 would be taking out yesterday's highs, all right? Glung looks pretty good here. I don't know. I mean, I never see it before. I like the name or something. I don't know. KOD. KOD higher here, closed at 22.75. We are trading at $34.23 to the upside. This one, nice move up here. That's going to get the month moving a little bit at $34. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, at $34, we're taking out everything. All right, KOD taking out everything. So what happens when that happens? We have no magnitudes to cling on to. Okay, you're in space. All right, it's like being at a Grateful Dead show. And they just play the drums. What else we got? A couple of things that I just wanted to point out. AMD is lower here this morning. Advanced Micro Devices is coming back down at 216. She closed at 220. A little under pressure there. You know I still love Marvel, and you know I still love Cisco. Marvel's come back a little bit here, down by about $1.80, coming back down with this news that's coming out. I see the VIX here right now trying to come back inside a little bit. Sudsies are kind of cooling now. The numbers were out on the jobs report. All right, so we won't get our unemployment numbers till next week. All right, so you know that. All right, so Marvel, see it right there, kind of chopping, coming back in a little bit. Where is my Cisco? Where is my Cisco gone? Coming back up. That's where it is. It's working. It's not sitting around loafing. 222 back up. All right. I got to get my stock back up here. All right, Cisco. Can we say enough about it? Boy, I tell you, when and if the AI stocks ever get better ever again, which may never happen, we'll see. All right. Let's take. I'm gonna look at some of our satellite stocks. All right. They've been beastie. All right. So you can see by the days that we put up here, and then they got that. They really ran it back. They really ran it back down. 66.46 now. These things are gonna move around. All right. So we're gonna be opening inside day on GSAT. All right. Now watch this. Watch SATS. SATS. Right. We're going to be going up against that thin line again here now. Oh, it dropped and went. Oh, this thing was higher. Whoa. Sats just kind of fell off the planet a little bit here. Back down to 118 now. This is good. All right. We're going to be looking for a pullback on that. All right. Echo Star coming back to the 30 down as well. So a little pressure there on the Sats. And then what else we got? They're all coming down right now. PL, this one, Wait on Planet right now. It had that gapper, and it has it, and it did this, and now here we are. I think we're gonna have to go and go back to the mainland. It's the only way we're gonna get right. We're gonna have to get that gap back. All right, so sit tight with Planet right now. Stock has been great. It's been really, really good, but things are slipping away just a tad. All right, so Iridium, IRDM. Iridium here, 29.25, lower here now this morning. Things been moving like crazy. Just let this thing come in if it wants to come in. All right, and then there's Gilt if you want to gilt me, GILT, Gilt. All right. Gilt backs off, man, big time, back down to 1675. So there's going to be a good vol in these things, man. We'll keep an eye on them. We're watching them closely. I'm watching anything that's moving and that's hot. That's what I'm looking for. Right, Rio Tinto coming back up here a little bit. All right, so satellites kind of a little vol in here right now for sure. And then XLI is lower. XLF is lower. XLV is lower. And XLY is lower. You should know which ones these are. All right. When I say XLF, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, because I'm not going to say it. XLK is in the middle and stuck. Doesn't know what to do with himself here with XLK. Tech wants to go. Market says no. Crude is going to the bejesus. At XLK, so we got that going on as well. And then to the upside, what do we got? It's time to get back to the staples, folks. All right. I don't think this market's getting better anytime soon. There's going to be flashes of we got a deal, and then there'll be no deal, and it's just so we need cheerleaders. We got to get some cheerleaders over here. All right, XLP coming back down a little bit here, but nice. Put the day up there, nice, man. Looking to take that 2-2 back up on your XLP. Coca-Cola, they had the CEO on there this morning on CNBC. the guy was solid, man. Really good guy. Really good guy. Got to say. He found his dream job. That's lucky. 75-21, 75-25, unchanged. Not much doing there right now. KMB, Kimberly Clark. I like this Kimberly Clark. That one will definitely move up, and then so will Colgate, because you're going to need toothpaste, and there's no way around that one. All right, way too long here at 15 minutes. Actually, I'm not that bad. Let's go to the futures one more time, and I get the hell out of here. All right, so diamonds. All right, starting to firm up. All right. 30 minutes starting to come back up a little bit here. All right, so maybe those numbers that they looked at on the jobs report, the fact that it wasn't bad means that it's really good. That's because everything is so micro and macroed up. All right, so we'll see what happens there. Diamond's trying to come firm up there. All right, and then we look at the SPY. And we talk to the SPY, and we say, SPY trying to come back up at the tree one back inside. All right. Listen, so my numbers, 463 on diamonds. 463 is where we need to get back up to a respectable neighborhood, and then you can finally start to get back up from there. All right. So I'm not even going to go below there, but 463. All right. 463 is where we need to get back up into. All right. Now we're putting in a low right now at 459.62. All right, and then we'll pull up the Qs, and I'm out of here. Qs just made the low right now at 580.51. 580.51. All right, so we just put this low in right here. 580.51. All right, still coming down. All right, NASDAQ's a little heavy here this morning. All right, so maybe a little run sheep run to the downside, and then see if they firm up. And then if they firm up, to get a nice rally, then they kill them. All right, you always got to load the boat before you want to get everybody drowned. All right, so I'm gonna let it be at that. Everybody have a good day. Don't jump after anything. Do not chase anything. The VIX is up. The UVXY is up. The SUDSIs are up. And the SQs are up. Okay? And the futures are down. All right? So sit tight and be